Got a 1994 F-150. It's a 300 straight six with a 5-speed. $2,100 what I got it for. Has brand new 33s on it. Had a 3-inch body lift when I got it. 2-inch suspension. I cut the body lift out because I don't pass your sticker here, and so cut it out in a week. Got it on the road. No rust on it. All it has is dents like this. It was actually used as a logging truck before I got it. It's actually really clean. I mean, just dents here and there. This side's pretty clean except that one rocker. Tinted windows, full drive lock-in hubs. Thing's actually really clean. Interior is not too bad. I mean, it's a little dirty, but oh well, it does. Then, pretty much one of the first things I did was, after I got the sticker, decided to cut the exhaust off it. Cut off the muffler, ran it like that for a little while. Then I just got the cat on it, so now it's pretty much straight pipe. Has a pretty nice sound to it now compared to before. It's smoking now a lot though. I still think more stuff has to come out of the cat. I didn't punch it or anything. I just like kind of hit the side of it with a hammer and it shot out. But yeah, that's the new truck.